It is essential equipment for color steel roof projects. This machine can produce 2 different types of metal sheets. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. One machine meets 2 kinds of roofing material production demands. Precision testing: each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. High rolling speed improves your factory production efficiency. Custom cutting length is available on demand. Finished products fit all kinds of color steel roofs. Steelmama always give you proper solution.